For 230 years, the U.S. Navy has been responsible for protecting our nation's interests by patrolling the world's oceans and projecting power ashore. In the 21st century, the challenge of protecting our homeland and forces abroad has grown with the increased threat of terrorists who can hide and attack at a moment's notice. Situational awareness is the key. To sustain fleet readiness at the highest levels, the Navy needs real-time, persistent surveillance and intelligence collection and dissemination to protect our warfighters, our ships, and our nation's freedom. The Global Hawk Maritime Demonstration System will be at the forefront of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance for the United States Navy and is the premier unmanned aerial system now available to the military. It is also the Navy's introduction to the world of high-altitude maritime surveillance and will be used to develop concepts of operations for the Broad Area Maritime Surveillance System. Recently utilized in a Navy sea trial exercise, the near real-time intelligence collected by GHMD will be integrated into the Navy's ForceNet information structure. The Global Hawk system features a fully autonomous unmanned aerial vehicle with unmatched performance and capabilities. Flying at 60,000 feet at 340 knots, the air vehicle can stay aloft for 35 hours at a time to survey vast areas. It can safely fly high above all commercial airline traffic and avoid weather systems that limit other intelligence collection systems. In one mission, the air vehicle could have surveyed the entire area affected by the recent tsunami. Recently, GHMD surveyed along the southern United States and proceeded into the Caribbean Sea, tracking maritime and aerial targets during a congressionally directed demonstration. The air vehicle is flown by pilots located in a mission control element that use satellite links for command and control. Similar links are used for secure data dissemination from the mission control element to the Tactical Auxiliary GHMD Support Unit, which oversees GHMD operations. Navy fleet commanders then have complete access to the multi-intelligence information collected by Global Hawk. The LR100 multifunction electronic support capabilities enable the system to provide radar warning, electronic surveillance, and electronic intelligence queuing to the warfighter. The maritime modes of the synthetic aperture radar can conduct a wide area search on the ocean to locate, identify, and track ships at very long distances. The radar can then focus on the potential target and use its inverted synthetic aperture radar mode or the electro-optical and infrared sensors to identify, classify, and provide imagery of the vessel in question. Furthermore, the overland modes developed under the Air Force Global Hawk program will still be inherent in the GHMD system and will provide an outstanding littoral surveillance capability. The GHMD system gives the U.S. Navy the ability to demonstrate the value of a high-altitude, long-endurance system and the ability to experiment with concepts of operations using an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. In this new century of uncertain threats, the Global Hawk Maritime Demonstration System will help the Navy secure its position as the world's premier maritime force with persistence, speed, agility, and information dominance.